unlock the vault of trading secrets where only the most savvy traders dare to venture. Dive into a world where your trading skills can unlock unlimited potential, turning you from a novice to a market maestro. Welcome to Crypto Cracker Secrets to Trading, where we peel back the layers of the crypto market for you. Make sure to subscribe and follow us to get access to member-exclusive content and rewards. Your journey to mastering crypto trading starts right now. Alrighty, good afternoon. I know there's been a lot of activity with Jasmy today and a few other coins. I just wanted to touch base a little bit of, what I've seen happen today. I would have made a video earlier, as it was happening, but I had to run errands and stuff. But I just want to sort of show you what I've seen. And I know I made a video talking about the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA, and I want to show you exactly what happened today. So if you're looking here on the chart, look what happened with the big green candle. It literally came up and kissed the 50-day EMA and rejected it. Okay, so what does that mean? If we would have broke through that 50 EMA and then held above that, we would have looked a lot higher. I mean, a lot higher, but it's not yet. It's not yet. Okay, so what I did is I laid out the chart that you're seeing here. I'm going to try to explain it to the best of my ability. And I think Not of Works is putting out a video tonight that will give you a little bit more discovery as far as, where we need to be, where we need to hold. I'm going to try to do the same. I've learned most of this from him. Okay, so I'm still learning, but I want to show you this. Okay, and this is what I have seen. So what I did is I took and I did the last 30 days on the chart to discover where our value area low is, where our point of control is, and the value area high. So right now, the value area low for the last 30 days is 0.026, okay? And then our point of control is 0.031. And what it's doing on this chart here, if you can see, is this is the volume. So point of control is where volume is, right here, okay? And then I have another chart going all the way back from the rise up, okay, that you can't hardly see it, but you can, it's sort of grayed out here. I did the whole chart from the bottom up to now. That shows where the value area high is, and it's right here at 0.031 as well. So it's interesting how the last 30 days is also aligning with the last year, or actually the last 2 years. So they're like they're headbutting one another right now. So, but if you look on the chart, I have white is the value area low for the last 30 days. The red is the point of control for the last 30 days. The green is the value area high for the last 30 days. Okay. And then I went back and looked at December's. Okay. In December's, when we had moved up, these are key resistance levels that we are targeting. Okay. But right now, we're not targeting those because we have not broke above the 50-day moving average. Right now, we hit it, but it's resistance right now. So this is what I talked about in my other videos, that we're looking for the death cross, okay? The death cross is a key indicator that we are now in a bullish trend, okay? So yes, we've had this large green candle that came up, okay? We had the sweep come down here, the sweep failure come down, right? And we had this double candle, which is probably now our new low, okay? And it's not right here. I'm going to mark it, which is right at 0.023, okay? So this line is probably our new low, that we've created, a higher new low. Okay, so more than likely, we're going to come back and test that at some point. We we might not even come back and test it. There's a possibility, but we have to watch these key levels right now that are marked. So right now we're holding above point of control at 0.0319. If we break below that, then we are going to come down and test 0.026. If we hold that, what we will see is a divergence, okay, which means a possible uptrend. And I'm watching for that down here, okay? I will not see that until this comes back down and tests this. But if we hold the point of control, which is 0.031, we may not even come back down and test these areas. But it's not, right now we're battling for it because of volume. Okay, we're battling that because of volume. All right, so that's where we're at. And you can see the candle, if you zoom in, we're literally battling this point of control right here. This is where all the volume is. 1.27 billion volume has came in, 1.14 billion volume has went out. So it's in a battle. It's very close right now, right around the point of control. Okay. And in the value area low down here is where volume also picks up. That's why when it came down and tested this, right, it bounced up so hard. We've seen all of those institutional investors come in today, which I shared with the wallet holdings. Binance picked up a lot. Coinbase picked up a lot. There were some other exchanges that picked up a lot. And some of these exchanges are holding like millions of coins, man, like millions of dollars of coins. So, but we literally seen today come up, bounce off the 50 EMA. We've got to wait for this to come down, or we've got to hold this point of control at 0.03195. If we hold this, okay, if we hold this, then our next target is to break through 0.033 and hold that. We got to break through that. Last month's, if you're looking at last month's, it's these right here. I've got them laid out right here so you can see it. This is last month's, these top ones right here. So these are going to be resistant levels that we're going to hit. 0.037 is going to be one. 0.040 is going to be one. 0.050 is going to be one. But we can't get to this one, 0.037, until we break above the value area high, right, which is 0.033, and hold above that. Okay? As the day closes, we got to hold above. We got to hold above today, above 0.031. Well, you guys do, not me, because I don't own any Jasmy. Okay? But you guys got to hold this. All right? For you to see this to continue to move up. Okay? So that's what we're looking for. Not of Works will put out a video tonight. He will probably be a lot more specific and targeted based off his technical analysis. Okay? But right now we're watching to see what happens with the 50 EMA. That's what I'm watching for right now. And it's very common to come back and retest the low one last time. And if we retest it, I don't expect us to actually bounce off the 2-3. I expect it to be a little bit lower. More than likely, it might come down like right here and test this. If it comes back down, 0.024. But that's just, again, that's just speculation. I can't say that's going to happen because we're holding point of control right now. Okay? We're holding above 0.031. So we'll have to see what happens. All right? But if you look here, with today on the price movement, it came up from the low. It came up 47%. With each one of these sweeps in the rise, you can see this last one was 36%. The one before that's kind of hard to see, but it was 31%. The one before that was 25. Actually, really, sort of even higher than that, because if you go down, 44. The one before that was 30. So that's a pretty nice increase that we had. 47%. So that's a pretty big jump from the bottom to the top in that sweep failure. So, but right now, we just got to watch. We got to see what happens. Keep your eye on the 50 EMA though. More than likely, as this comes down, we'll see some retracement back down. But that's just if we break through 0.031 and break below it. So right now we're at the point of control. You guys got to hold it. So, but that's all I wanted. That's all I wanted to share for you guys today. Was just to nail those points out for you guys to watch and to pay attention. Like I said, I made the video yesterday. Pay attention to what's happening, and so you know your next steps. All right, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.
Are you ready?